Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix NordVPN disconnecting frequently and keep your connection stable. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's not dropping on its own. Next, open the NordVPN app and connect to a server closer to your location for better stability. Go into Settings and switch the VPN protocol to Nord Links, which is faster and more reliable. Disable battery optimization or background restrictions for the app so it doesn't close unexpectedly. Restart the NordVPN app and your device to refresh network services. Also, make sure the app is fully updated. If disconnections continue, try changing servers or networks. These steps usually stop frequent disconnects and maintain a steady VPN connection. Subscribe the channel for more videos.